Students, today we will discuss about the complex permanent tissue. Complex permanent tissue. Complex tissue are made up of more than one type of the cell. Simple complex tissue made up of the only one type of cell, but complex is made up of more than one type of the cell. All these cells coordinate to perform a common functions. They will perform a common function. Xylem and phloem are the complex tissue, and xylem and phloem are called the conducting tissue or the transporting tissue because they transport the water, mineral and food to the whole part of the plant. Xylem. Xylem is also called wood. That is, that dark black wood is called xylem. It is a conducting tissue or transporting tissue. It conducts the water and mineral and give the mechanical strength because these cells are dead cells. It gives the mechanical strength or mechanical support to the plant body. It is composed of the four different type of the cell: tracheates, vessels, xylem parenchyma, and xylem fiber. Xylem consists of the four different parts: tracheates, vessels, xylem parenchyma, and xylem fibers. Tracheates. These are the long tubular dead cells. Tracheates. These are the long tubular dead cells with lignified walls and tapering ends. They have tapering ends just like this. The end is tapering and they have pits in their wall. They are long, tubular and dead cells, and they have lignified walls and tapering ends. They are unicellular and found mostly in the gymnosperm and few of the angiosperm. They are found in the tracheates are found in the gymnosperm and few are the angiosperm. Angiosperm are the flowering plants, just like the mango, neem, and gymnosperms are the non-flowering plants. Vessels. Vessels. They are very long tube. They are very long tube-like structure formed by a row of cells placed end to end. They are placed end to end. The walls are lignified. They generally possess pits. Pits are present in both tracheates and vessels, and pits are the small hole-like structure. They are multicellular. Vessels are multicellular and found only in the angiosperm or flowering plants. Tracheates and vessels transport water and minerals vertically. They transport the water and minerals vertically. Xylem parenchyma. Xylem parenchyma. This consists of the living cell. Cell wall is thin, store food and help in the sideways conduction. It help in the sideways conductions of the water. Xylem fibers. Xylem fibers are elongated, dead cell, thick cell wall. They are supportive in function. Xylem fiber are dead cell and they give the mechanical support and help in the protections, and they are elongated and thick cell wall. Function of the xylem. Xylem conduct water and mineral or transport the water and mineral upward from roots to the leaves and to the different part of the plant. The component of xylem like tracheates, vessel and xylem fibers are thick lignified wall. They have thick lignified wall and so they give the mechanical support or mechanical strength to the plant body. Xylem parenchyma. These are the only living tissue in the xylem. Xylem parenchyma is only living tissue which help in the lateral conduction of water and storage of the metabolic waste. Now phloem. Phloem. It is also called the bast. It is also called bast and it is a living conducting tissue and composed of the four elements: sieve tube, companion cell, phloem parenchyma and phloem fiber. Sieve tube. These are the tubular cells. These are the tubular cells with end walls perforated by the numbered spore and which are called the sieve plates. The sieve tube do not have nucleus but have thin layer of the cytoplasm. Sieve tube do not have nucleus. They are without nucleus or non-nucleated but have a thin layer of cytoplasm. Companion cell. As the name suggests, companion. They are the friend or help the other cell. They are small, elongated cell having the dense cytoplasm and they have own prominent nucleus. Now the phloem parenchyma. These are the thin-walled. These are thin-walled living and parenchymatous cells which are mainly concerned with storage and transportation of the food. They have thin wall and are living and main function is the storage and transportation of the food. Now phloem fibers. Phloem fibers are thin walled, elongated, dead sclerenchymatous cells which provide mechanical strength or mechanical support to the tissue. Now what are the functions of the phloem? It helps in the transport of the food from leaves to the storage organ, and in later from storage organ to the growing region of the plant. Plant fibers of some plants are so commercial fibers. Example jute, hemp, etc. These are used at commercial level. These are called the source of the commercial fiber. These are the section of the phloem. When we take a look at the outside, then these are the sieve plates and these are the sieve tube and this is the phloem parenchyma. This is the section of the phloem. Thank you.